Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the melodious world of the meadowlark, one of the most charming and musical birds in North America. Known for their cheerful songs and striking appearance, meadowlarks are a delight to both see and hear. Join us as we uncover 50 amazing facts about these wonderful birds that you might not have known. 1. Meadowlarks belong to the family Icteridae, which also includes blackbirds and orioles. 2. There are two species of meadowlarks in North America, the eastern meadowlark _Sternella magna _ and the western meadowlark _Sternella neglecta _. 3. The eastern meadowlark is found in the eastern United States, parts of Mexico, and Central America. 4. The western meadowlark is found in the western United States, Canada, and Mexico. 5. Meadowlarks are known for their vibrant yellow underparts and distinct black V across their chests. 6. Their upper parts are more subdued with a mix of brown, black, and white streaks. 7. Meadowlarks have a short, pointed bill and long, pointed wings. 8. They are medium-sized birds, measuring about 7.5 to 10.2 inches in length. 9. Meadowlarks are ground-dwelling birds that prefer open fields, meadows, and grasslands. 10. Both species have a similar diet, consisting mainly of insects, seeds, and grains. 11. Meadowlarks are excellent singers, and each species has a distinctive song. 12. The song of the eastern meadowlark is a clear, melodious whistle, while the western meadowlark's song is more complex and fluty. 13. Male meadowlarks use their songs to establish territories and attract females. 14. Meadowlarks are known for their distinctive flight pattern, which involves brief bursts of rapid wing beats followed by gliding. 15. They build their nests on the ground, often in dense grass or under shrubs. 16. The female meadowlark constructs the nest, which is a dome-shaped structure made of grasses and plant fibers. 17. Meadowlark nests are well concealed and have a roof-like cover to protect the eggs and chicks. 18. The typical clutch size for a meadowlark is 3 to 7 eggs. 19. The eggs are white with brown and purple spots and are incubated by the female for about 13 to 15 days. 20. After hatching, the chicks are fed by both parents and fledge at around 10 to 12 days. 21. Meadowlarks are known to have multiple broods during the breeding season, particularly in favorable conditions. 22. They are highly territorial during the breeding season and will aggressively defend their nesting sites. 23. Meadowlarks are beneficial to agriculture as they help control insect populations. 24. In addition to their melodious songs, meadowlarks also communicate with a variety of calls and whistles. 25. These birds are often seen perched on fence posts, telephone wires, or other elevated surfaces while singing. 26. Meadowlarks are year-round residents in some areas but may migrate short distances to find suitable wintering habitats. 27. They have strong, muscular legs that are well adapted for walking and running on the ground. 28. Meadowlarks are often spotted in pairs or small family groups during the breeding season. 29. In the non-breeding season, they may form larger flocks for feeding and roosting. 30. Meadowlarks have a keen sense of hearing, which helps them detect predators and locate food. 31. They are known to perform distraction displays, such as feigning injury, to draw predators away from their nests. 32. Meadowlarks have a close relationship with their habitat and rely on healthy grasslands for nesting and feeding. 33. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving grassland habitats are crucial for the survival of meadowlarks. 34. Meadowlark populations have declined in some areas due to habitat loss and fragmentation. 35. Both the eastern and western meadowlark are listed as species of concern in various parts of their range. 36. Meadowlarks have been featured in poetry, literature, and music, celebrating their beauty and song. 37. The state bird of Kansas, Nebraska, Montana, North Dakota, Oregon, and Wyoming is the western meadowlark. 38. Meadowlarks have an important role in maintaining the ecological balance of their grassland habitats. 39. These birds are known to forage by walking on the ground and using their bills to probe the soil for insects and seeds. 40. Meadowlarks' diet varies seasonally, with a higher proportion of insects during the breeding season and more seeds in the winter. 41. They are known to eat harmful insects such as grasshoppers, beetles, and caterpillars. 42. Meadowlarks' songs can be heard over long distances, especially in open grasslands. 43. They are known to be shy and elusive, often retreating to dense cover when disturbed. 44. Meadowlarks have strong homing instincts and will return to the same nesting sites each year. 45. Their beautiful songs have made them a favorite among birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. 46. Meadowlarks have a unique way of marking their territory by singing from prominent perches. 47. They have a close relationship with other grassland birds, sharing habitats and resources. 48. Meadowlarks play a vital role in controlling pest populations, benefiting both natural and agricultural ecosystems. 49. Conservation programs that restore native grasslands have been successful in boosting meadowlark populations. 50. Learning about meadowlarks and their behavior helps raise awareness about the importance of preserving their habitats. And there you have it, 50 fascinating facts about meadowlarks. These beautiful and melodious birds have captured the hearts of many with their enchanting songs and striking appearance. If you enjoyed learning about meadowlarks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to appreciate and protect our feathered friends.